Alrighty, so we're making corned beef and cabbage tonight, but I didn't have any cabbage ready in the garden, but we have a ton of Brussels sprout leaves. They're similar texture, a little bit heavier, nuttier flavor. Anyway, so I'm just gonna cut the stems off. I'm going to add them in now when I'm beginning the corned beef and cabbage, whereas normally you add the cabbage, I like to last hour, where these are a bigger, tougher leaf, I figure add them probably at the beginning, give them time to cook. But this is corned beef from the store, so we did add the little seasoning packet as well as the sprigs of dill and some chives. So we're gonna let that cook for on high probably 4 or 5 hours. Normally I do it low, but we're kind of a set it and leave it, and it needs to be ready here in 5 hours for dinner. So I'm just cutting the stems off, cutting it into manageable pieces. I'm gonna go dig up some baby reds from the garden right now, add them, and I will be back when it's done and show you the finished product and give you my honest review on it. All right, we're out here at the garden. Gonna dig up some red potatoes for the corned beef and cabbage. Corned beef and cabbage we're making. So I'm trying to figure out, I've been robbing potatoes all season long. I'm not gonna have any to grow big, but trying to figure out which one I haven't robbed. Let's see here. See if we've gotten this one already. Okay. All right, so this isn't gonna be a baby red like we wanted, but should be. We'll cut into pieces. All right, let's see if there's some more. There we go. Okay, I guess we're not doing baby reds, guys. We're gonna do just full size, cut into quarters. Let's see if there's any more in here. All right, there's some babies right there. So there's a little baby. So I think with those big ones, I think that'll probably do it for our family tonight. Let's see. Probably more on the other side there. Anyway, I'll cover this up and let the smaller ones continue to grow, and we'll get more. Hey, buddy, where's your pants, dude? Okay, I will get these cut up and put in the corned beef, and we will bring it back when it's finished. Hi, buddy. Yeah, potatoes. Kids' favorite things to do are to dig up potatoes with Dad. Alrighty, so the potatoes are all cleaned, cut up, along with the Brussels sprout leaves, and then the corned beef is down there. So I just put just enough water to cover the corned beef. These leaves should simmer down, and potatoes should be able to sit in there quite easily. So anyways, we will have the finished product next. Okay, here is the finished product. We have the corned beef right there. We have the Brussels sprout leaves right there. We have the potatoes right there. And then I added some zucchini just because we had a bunch we needed to use. So, zucchini is great. Let's try this. All right, here goes the taste test for the Brussels leaves in place of cabbage. Very, very good. A little bit softer than what I'd like, but obviously I put that in for a long time. It's got a nutty flavor, has a cabbage flavor. I'll definitely do that again. It was definitely really, really good. So if you do not have cabbage, second best thing you can do are Brussels sprout leaves. Now I've noticed you can't find them anywhere in the grocery stores around here. Online it seems like to be the same thing, so most people don't realize you can eat them. But you can cook them up like spinach greens, you can cook them up like cabbage. Really, they're a great replacement, tastes phenomenal. Just like I said, a little bit of a nutty flavor. So anyway, hope this helps, and hope you guys can make some delicious meals with some fresh produce from your garden. Talk to you soon.